Welcome to Social Media Library. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 proven steps to grow your audience across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, these tips will help you stand out, build engagement, and achieve real results. Let's dive in. Step 1 is all about optimizing your profile. Profile is the first impression for anyone visiting your account. Here's what you need to do. Use a clear profile picture that represents your brand. Write a concise bio that explains who you are and what you offer. Add a call to action link for people to explore your products or services. Next, define your niche. To stand out in today's competitive social media world, you need to focus on 2 to 3 core topics. Think of these as the pillars of your content. For example, if you're a wellness coach, your pillars could be mindfulness, fitness tips, and healthy recipes. This approach helps you attract the right audience and keeps your content consistent. Step 3 is to leverage trending formats. Right now, short-form videos like Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts dominate the social media landscape. Here's how to master them. Keep your videos under 30 seconds. Use a hook within the first 3 seconds to grab attention. Incorporate trending music or audio clips to boost visibility. Step 4 is about building relationships with your audience. Social media is a two-way street, so interact with your followers by responding to comments, running polls and Q&A sessions in stories, asking questions at the end of your posts to spark discussions. The final step is consistency. To build trust and retain your audience, you need a regular posting schedule. Aim to post 4 or 5 times a week. Create content batches to stay ahead of schedule. Use analytics to refine what works best for your audience. That's it. 5 simple steps to skyrocket your social media growth in 2025. Ready to take action? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the 10K Growth Sprint Challenge to transform your online presence. Let us know in the comments which step you're excited to try first.